Hi, third grade. We're working on writing mini lesson 6 today. Let's take a look at this comic. I want you to think about what the student did wrong. The boy's saying, "What do you mean all my facts are wrong? I copied everything straight off the internet." Why do you think this would be a problem? Well, for one thing, we always need to be careful when we're gathering information from the internet, because we want to make sure that our source is reliable or that the facts that we're reading are true. The second problem could be that the student copied someone else's information and didn't give them credit. This would be called plagiarism. Plagiarism is when you copy someone else's work and pretend that it's your own. Or maybe the problem could be that the student just copied down lots and lots of information, but it wasn't the right information. Today, our learning target is I can identify what source would support my research. I want to look more closely at the words identify, source, and research. When we're identifying, we're finding or determining. When I'm asking for a source, I'm asking, where did your information come from? Was it a book? Was it an article? A video? And lastly, to support your research, I'm asking you to think about what information you're gathering from your source and think about how it goes with what you're researching. For example, if I'm researching about dolphins, I wouldn't use a penguin book to support my dolphin research. Let's look at the model today. A student is writing a history report about the lives of dinosaurs. The student found the following sources. Which source would most likely have information for the report? Let's look at each source and determine which one would be the best to support the student's research about the lives of dinosaurs. Let's look at A. An article about what life was like after the dinosaurs did not live on Earth any longer. So they've already been extinct, and I want to learn about when dinosaurs were alive and what their day-to-day life was like. So I don't think this source is going to have information for my report. B. A book about the different sizes, shapes, and colors of different dinosaurs. Well, although I would find this interesting, I would really like to find out about all the sizes, shapes, and colors of dinosaurs. I'm not so sure that this source is going to give me all the information I need about dinosaurs' day-to-day lives. C. www.dinosaurhistory.com. Learn about the days when dinosaurs lived on Earth. Find out how they lived day to day. Since I want to learn about the lives of dinosaurs, I think this is going to be a great source for my research. However, I'm definitely going to look at the last answer before I make my choice, because I want to find the best source. D. www.dinosaurbabies.com. Come learn all about baby dinosaurs. You can decide if they were really cute or truly dangerous. Again, I would love to read this. It seems really interesting to me because I don't know much about baby dinosaurs. But if I need information about the lives of dinosaurs, this source is not going to be very helpful. It looks like the best source would be C. The correct answer choice is C, because the student is looking for information about how dinosaurs were living their day-to-day life. This source on dinosaurhistory.com is going to teach the reader information about how dinosaurs lived each day so that they can gather the information they need to include it in their report. Your independent work today is to answer this following question. A student is writing a report about how fossils are formed. Which website is the best source of information for the report? What I want you to do is go through each choice closely and think about if they support what the student is researching, just like I did in the model. When you're finished, I want you to tell me how you knew that was the best choice, just like I did as well. You need to use full sentences and be specific in your response. All right, get to work. Don't forget to turn it in when you're done.